Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how I make my green smoothie that I drink basically every single day. I've found that it's really hard to get enough protein in if I don't have a smoothie for breakfast or even just like an afternoon snack. I've been vibing a like peanut butter banana creamy smoothie lately, and then I use this vanilla protein powder from Cos. This is the best plant protein. Tried a lot of different ones, and this one blends the best, doesn't make your smoothie gritty at all. 2 scoops is the serving size, and there's 20 grams of protein in those 2 scoops. Because I am me, you know I like to put it in a cute little jar to keep out in our little beverage nook as well. It's all organic, clean ingredients, has a bunch of vitamins in it, and a good amount of fiber as well. You gotta try that recipe. It's just so smooth and delicious every time. They also have a chocolate flavored one that's really good if you are more of a chocolate girly.